Okay, packaging and raw material in packaging. Select use. What is our plant? Can you remember? Recall? Shakir. Mr. Shakir. Can you recall the plant?
Hello,
Yes. Can you recall the plant?
C40,
Sorry. Enter. What was the plant? Hello.
C45,
C45. Okay. Five. Okay. Description. Let's see. Base unit of measure. Each material group. What do we have as material group? Do we have something for back? Headphones without back. Material group. Packaging raws. Okay. Paper tape PK raw. Okay. Okay. kg. Base unit of measure. Each basic data. Environment relevant like diesel, oil. These are environment hazards. Materials configurable. This is used for machinery. And we are creating like airlines for aircraft. Sorry, aircraft. There, the material parts is configurable. Okay, sales org. PKRO is our material group based on purchasing. The tabs which have this symbol, that means these are selected from the very start. Purchasing group, you have a purchasing group, I guess, which is 5. Oh. Valid from, this is for FMCG goods. Plant to plant status is material block can be transferred or it can be used. This is the status that can be set over here, but it is usually not populated. Block for task, block for sales, block for procurement. Okay. So will it be managing batch, automatic PO? Yes. Next indicator for material. Values. Okay, there's no tax indicator yet made for material. And GR processing time post inspection stock before the stock is put into the warehouse. It is first put through the inspection QA. Source list, very important. Yes, because when we make source determination list, it is needed. Very important. Okay. Again, this is done. Plant data storage, purchasing group doesn't exist. That means we have not created C45 purchasing group. Okay, let's keep it empty. Plant data unit of issue can be different. It can be bundles, it can be bales, it can be kgs. Okay, so unit of issue is empty. Hazard material number of GR slips. You can also put number of GR slips. Why? Because some, like in medicine, in pharmaceuticals, you can only issue 12 or 6 or maybe 100. That will actually determine how many GR good receipt slips will be needed. Okay. Storage period shelf life, this is for expirable goods. Total shelf life, this can be mentioned here as well. Okay. Required maximum shelf life, maturation time, this is for fruits, vegetables. Okay. Okay. Accounting. Each valuation category valuation class. This is where GL integration is done. Valuation class is needed for to integrate GLs. We'll see that in the next phases of our lecture. Price control is average, moving price, standard price. Okay. This can be set over here as well. We can say, let's say 110 moving price or 100 as standard price. Future price, this is updated by product costing. Okay. Costing one. We will have a profit center. If we have a profit center in C45, we can put it here. So when we are going through profit center accounting, reporting, material and their cost of sales and sales order are pulled to the profit center. Okay. In company, the company code. Oh, let's see. We have internet issues today, guys. Let's read again. 101. We can have all the selection, but that will actually take quite a lot of time. That's why I'm not actually going with every detail. You can research it on your own. Okay. I'm just giving you a quick run through material management. Uh, turn, let's see the next. Okay, on, choosing. Critical part is what? Machinery. Heavy machine that make, and this is a critical part. Okay. Non-data. Issue. Cash management. No. Accounting. Production class. 2000. Save. Okay, it needs a moving average. I can already check daily requirement batches, no check. This is used for MRP. 552 is created. Okay. Now this is done. First part of our. Now let's go for purchase info report and 11 vendor. Do we have a vendor created already? Company code. I guess we have. Yes. Standard. Purchasing for it. Plant C45. We don't have info record. Why do we use info record? Because when we create C45, I hope this is made. Okay. Reminder. You have to send a reminder to the vendor when they have to send the. So first reminder will go in 7 days. Next will go in 15 days. 15 days. Third will go in 21 days. Okay. Supplier material number, sub range. Now these are the points that your welder will share with you. Certificate number, certificate category, whether it is ISO certified or OSHA, OSHA certified. These are the certificates that you can configure on the back end. Okay, and then you will ask how to configure that. I'll tell you that. No problem. Salesperson who is selling you this product, telephone number, return agreement, prior supplier who was, or this is a regular supplier available to, you have an agreement that you will purchase this product only from this vendor from this date to this date. Okay. Variable order unit, you can order fixed quantity or variable quantity. You can do this from here. Save. Active, non-active, active with own price. Let's do this. Save. A planned delivery time, 10 days. Tolerance under delivery. Standard quantity, it can be unlimited in case of liquids. Okay, standard quantity, let's say 50. Minimum quantity, 40. Shelf life, you don't need shelf life for paper. Shipping instructions, you can give shipping instructions for fragile items. Okay. Shipping instruction 1 and 2, fielder group. We actually made this. See this later. Shipping instructions, you can actually put there that how to handle net price. Conditions, net price is 1112 each. Okay. Incoterms is CIF FOB. Okay. This can be configured. Cost and freight, CIF. Fill out and required fields. Okay. USD. Purchasing. Oh, we don't have a purchasing group. Let's take any purchasing group right now. Packaging raw R38. No, what to save. Incoterms location. Karachi. Incoterms location will not require. Okay. Purchasing info record. 112 is created. for this material. The info record actually captures all the conditions that you want fulfilled with this vendor. Okay. Now let's very quickly go over source list maintain. Enter valid from 01/01/2023. Now, why do you want validity? Because you can have an order from a customer who wants this material, and based on the season, you will have to see and forecast what is the season of this material. Okay, let's see, it's for the whole year or for 3 months. So, or 6 months. Okay, let's do it 30/06/2023. Vendor. C45. Purchase or which purchase organization will take care of this? Okay, procurement plant C45. Ordering unit each and agreement. To be an agreement, let's keep it empty. Okay, fixed supply source. Is it from this vendor every time? We'll keep it empty. Okay. Purchase document. No, we are not attaching a purchase document right now. Save. Incompatible. Oh. Okay. Supplying plant is different. How can this be? BP. Or we can just remove the plant. Enter. Source list was changed. Enter. Yeah, we have it already over here. There are other dates for seasons for validity where you can put in. Now, some vendors will say, okay, fine, we can supply in next 10 days. Some will say after 3 months. Okay, you're like in automobiles. So these are the dates and validities used for sourcing list. They can supply the cars in 6 months, 3 months, or 10 days. It can be mentioned over here. Okay. If you have an agreement, you can mention the agreement over here. So these are the reference assets that you will be procuring from this vendor. This is the agreement. Item, purchase record item will be here. Okay. Fix. Okay. This is not a fixed supply source. We can buy it from anyone, or this can be blocked as well, but we'll save it. Okay. Now, is this clear till now? We have created a master data. Source determination list is done. So almost we are now very near to start our procurement cycle. Okay. And that will be with purchase order, and then we'll go down. Okay. For the next lecture.